Hi, my name is Kai. I've made a lot of unboxing videos. Next video I could be unboxing or doing a let's play, but first of all, I have got a little life pet bird and his name is Digi. So I'm going to show you the sides. As you can see, he has a little feeder, pitcher, mirror, a swing, and a cart. And the back of the box tells you everything he can do. And now I'm going to start unboxing. Just start with this little piece here. It doesn't matter if I ruin the box, so don't worry about the box. Everywhere. Guys, every time you unbox stuff like this, there's a lot of tape, so have scissors ready, okay? Okay, gonna set that over there. Little hanger. Yeah, turn over here so I can actually get them out. Of course, your feet are stuck to the thing. Whoa. Guess that was a lock. And I think I broke it. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to keep this. Tell me in the comments if I'm supposed to keep this thing. And please like and subscribe if you like this video. I'm not really finished yet, so don't exit the video. okay, I'm gonna get that out later. I never noticed stuff like this that's like the clear invisible tape stuck on like lines like this. I never noticed it. Yeah. Put his little set up the big set over here, putting little digi over here. And yeah, the cart is the only thing we need to get at now. Double cart! Get out of... I'm just letting him like clip in the middle of the air. I don't even care anymore. This is just like unboxing a really thick box that no one has unboxed. Okay. Oh. What was at the bottom? I don't know what this is. I think this is a birth certificate with a picture of her. I don't know what this is. Also, leave comments of what this is if you know what it is. Oh, okay. It's instructions. Okay, I do not notice instructions a lot. For the scissors, I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't mean to make you wait. I just thought it would be easy to open, because they have to like make it where it could be easy to open. Now I think the bird can drive this. Okay, Digi. Okay, you have to like put a little force on it. I'm not sure if it actually drives it. Make sure to subscribe. To subscribe. Why is it subscribe? Yeah. Now, make sure to subscribe, or you can go ahead and leave the video now, because this is just gonna be boring stuff. Whee!